The voltage between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor of capacitance 1 microfarad is changing at the rate of 5 volt per second. What is the displacement current in the capacitor? So that question is voltage between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor of capacitance 1 microfarad is changing at the rate of 5 volt per second. What is the displacement current in the capacitor? 4 microampere, 5 microampere, 6 microampere, 7 microampere. But here the C is given, means capacitor is equal to 1 microfarad, means 1 microfarad means 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Okay, and so the 5 volt per second, that means dv by dt is equal to 5 volt per second. Now we have to calculate first. So we know that the displacement current is equal to id. Id means displacement current is equal to epsilon naught dE by dt equal to epsilon naught d by dt Ea. Okay, so phi is nothing but Ea. E means electric field, A means area. Okay, so but is equal to, so epsilon naught taking common, A also constant, dE by dt. Okay, d by dt, but id displacement current is equal to, so epsilon naught A d by dt, again electric field also written as potential divided by length. Okay, potential divided by length, or d, here d potential divided by length, or d, so is equal to epsilon 0 A, so L is constant, so dv by dt so id, so displacement current is equal to epsilon 0 A by, so d, so I'm taking d and here also d, epsilon 0 A by d dv by dt, so dv by dt into dv by dt, so is equal to epsilon 0 A by d, so nothing but capacitance C, okay, is dv by dt. So I am using C is equal to epsilon 0 A by d. Okay, so now id is equal to, so capacitance value of capacitor is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 into dv by dt is 5, okay, which is nothing but 5 into 10 to the power minus 6, okay, this is nothing but 5 microampere. Okay, so that means your correct answer is option B is correct. Okay, your correct answer is option B, 5 microampere. Okay, ତେଣୁ ଦେଖ voltage between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor of capacitance केते 1 microfarad ଦେଇଛି, ତେଣୁ ଏଠି capacitance केते ଦେଇଛି ନା 1 microfarad, ତେଣୁ 1 microfarad କେତେ 10 to the power 6, 1 microfarad 10 to the power minus 6 farad ହେଲା, is changing at the rate of 5 volt per second, ता माने dv by dt ଦେଇଛି केते 5 volt per second ହେଲା. What is the displacement current? क्योंकि हमें बाहर करें displacement current, तो displacement current फॉर्मूला होची id is equal to epsilon 0 d phi e by dt equal to केते जो epsilon 0 लिखिली, phi रो e केते जो electric flux equal to electric field into E means area. Okay, so electric field into area, पुणी area तो constant आसीबो, तो area constant को outside नेले d by dt लिखिली. Okay, then equal to id is equal to epsilon 0 a, पुणी अगेन कोन हो ना एठी हमें लिखिबा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी है, सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हूँ कौन पोटेंशियल डिवाइड बाय डिस्टेंस, यहाँ आम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फॉर्मूला, तेणु ये आम कौन लिखिलु ना ई चेंज टू के वी बाय डी लिखिलु, तेणु इफ 0 epsilon नॉट ए डीटा हूँ कन्स्टाट पड़े डीवी बाय डी टी, डीवी बाय डी टी भैल्यू तो देखिए 5 वोल्ट पर सेकेंड, तेणु आई टी इज इक्वल epsilon 0 ए बाय डी इंटू डीवी बाय डी टी. सो ये भैल्यूटा हूँ यार तुम हूँ कौन ना कैपेसिटर, तेणु ये कैपेसिटर सी, तेणु सी इज इक्वल टू epsilon नॉट ए बाय डी नेले, तेणु डीवी बाय डी टी, तेणु सी रो भैल्यू के 1 माइक्रोफाराड इंटू डीवी बाई डी टी 5 सो 5 माइक्रो एम्पियर ताले करेक्ट आंसर कौन हम ना ऑप्शन बी हो करेक्ट आंसर ओके प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब थैंक यू फॉर योर वाचिंग।